Welcome to MarineMax Nisswa, where today we have a 2012 Nautique Sport 200 for sale. This is an awesome wake and ski crossover. As you can see, we have this large center ski pylon right here in the midship. We also have the pylon on the tower with some swiveling board racks. These have the quick bungees to strap your boards securely in place. And then we also have a tow eye off the transom of the boat, so you can choose where you want to hook up to do some water sports. We have an overhead light and courtesy lighting inside the boat. This boat is rated for up to 10 people. You can fit 3 people in the bow. It is a pointed bow, so you have that nice cut through on those choppy water days or on busy holiday weekends when there's a lot of boat traffic. This is going to be an awesome boat to cut through that, even though it's 20 feet long. It has a cockpit seating area with a social layout. You have a judge's seat that flips up, so you can turn this into a step to get through to the bow, or you can take it out completely to have more legroom. Otherwise, it's a nice place to sit and watch your skiers and tubers and wakeboarders off the back of the boat. Legally in Minnesota, you have to either have a spotter posted or a rear view mirror, and this boat comes with both. There is a dual retractable heater hose system right underneath the helm, so the spotter and the driver both get to stay warm, even on those chilly early morning ski sessions. This boat is outfitted with a whole bunch of stainless steel cup holders that will drain, so if your cold drink starts to sweat in the hot sun, it'll automatically drain out the side of the boat, so you don't have to worry about having a puddle stuck to your drink. There's a bow windscreen that you can put in there so there's not wind billowing through the boat. You can block that off and have a more warm environment here inside the cockpit. This boat's powered by the 5.7 liter PCM EX343 inboard motor. That's 350 horsepower, lots of get up and go for all kinds of water sports, throws a great rooster tail, and it has 409 engine hours on it. So there's lots of life left in this boat. You have to come see it for yourself here at MarineMax in beautiful Nisswa, Minnesota. We have a large lineup of used boats available right now so that you and your family can find your dream boat for boating season 2026 before the ice thaws.